When a conversation turns to analytics or big data, the terms structured, semi-structured and unstructured might get bandied about. These are classifications of data that are now important to understand with the rapid increase of semi-structured and unstructured data today, as well as the development of tools that make managing and analyzing these classes of data possible. Here's what you need to know. Data that is the easiest to search and organize, because it is usually contained in rows and columns and its elements can be mapped into fixed predefined fields, is known as structured data. Think about what data you might store in an Excel spreadsheet and you have an example of structured data. Structured data can follow a data model a database designer creates. Think of sales records by region, by product or by customer. In structured data, entities can be grouped together to form relations, customers that are also satisfied with the service. This makes structured data easy to store, analyze and search, and until recently was the only data easily usable for businesses. Today, most estimate structured data accounts for less than 20% of all data. Often structured data is managed using structured query language, SQL, a programming software language developed by IBM in the 1970s for relational databases. Structured data can be created by machines and humans. Examples of structured data include financial data such as accounting transactions, address details, demographic information, star ratings by customers, machines logs, location data from smartphones and smart devices, etc. A much bigger percentage of all the data is unstructured data. Unstructured data is data that cannot be contained in a row-column database and doesn't have an associated data model. Think of the text of an email message. The lack of structure made unstructured data more difficult to search, manage and analyze, which is why companies have widely discarded unstructured data, until the recent proliferation of artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms made it easier to process. Other examples of unstructured data include photos, video and audio files, text files, social media content, satellite imagery, presentations, PDFs, open-ended survey responses, websites and call center transcripts, recordings. Instead of spreadsheets or relational databases, unstructured data is usually stored in data lakes, NoSQL databases, applications and data warehouses. The wealth of information in unstructured data is now accessible and can be automatically processed with artificial intelligence algorithms today. This technology has elevated unstructured data to an extremely valuable resource for organizations. Semi-structured data beyond structured and unstructured data. There is a third category, which basically is a mix between both of them.